Hi, welcome. And thank you for having clicked this video. Now, I'm going to let you know the tips of fluent English speaking. Becoming fluent in English speaking requires consistent effort and practice. Here are some tips to help you improve your English fluency. Let us listen to my friends' tips of how they become fluent in English speaking. Here is the tips number 1. Immerse yourself in English. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Watch English movies, TV shows, and listen to English music. Read English books, newspapers, and magazines. The more exposure you have to the language, the better.
2. Practice speaking regularly. Find opportunities to practice speaking English on a regular basis. Join conversation groups or language exchange programs, where you can interact with native English speakers or other English learners. And practice your speaking in real-life situations as much as possible.
3. Expand your vocabulary. Learn new words and phrases regularly. Read English dictionaries, use vocabulary building apps, or engage in vocabulary exercises. The more words you know, the more confidently you can express yourself. And
this is the tips number 4. Focus on pronunciation. Pay attention to the pronunciation of words, and practice speaking them correctly. Listen to native speakers, imitate their intonation, stress patterns, and rhythm. Record yourself speaking, and compare it with native speakers to identify areas for improvement.
5. Use online resources. Take advantage of the numerous online resources available for English learners. There are websites, podcasts, YouTube channels, and language learning apps that offer exercises, lessons, and interactive activities to improve your English speaking skills.
6. Engage in conversations with native speakers. If possible, try to have conversations with native English speakers. This can be through language exchange programs, language schools, or online platforms. Speaking with native speakers will expose you to different accents and help you adapt to different speaking styles.
7. Overcome the fear of making mistakes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes while speaking English. Mistakes are part of the learning process. Embrace them as opportunities to improve. The more you practice, the more confident you will become.
And here is my tip. 8. Think in English. Try to think in English rather than translating from your native language. This helps you develop a more natural flow of speaking and reduces hesitation.
9. Practice listening skills. Good listening skills are crucial for fluent speaking. Watch English movies and TV shows without subtitles, listen to English podcasts or radio programs, and try to understand the spoken language. Focus on different accents and practice understanding various speaking speeds.
And this is our last tip. 10. Be patient and persistent. Becoming fluent in any language takes time and effort. Set realistic goals, be patient with yourself, and stay consistent with your practice. Celebrate your progress along the way, and don't give up.
So those are the most effective tips, but remember, fluency comes with practice and exposure to the language. Make English a part of your daily life, and stay dedicated to your learning journey. Good luck! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions. I would love to hear from you. And stay tuned for our next video coming up soon. Stay tuned for our next video coming up soon.